I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Bumble app. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Bumble app. Here you click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.